Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Claude Code in PyCharm. So, it's actually very easy. You need to actually navigate to the plugins. So in PyCharm, there's the plugins instead of extensions. It's actually the same. You need to navigate to the settings menu on the top right, and you need to click on plugins. After that, from here, you can actually search for plugins. So you can just search for Claude Code. Now, you need to install Claude Code. I'll see from here and hit on accept. After it successfully installs, you need to click on apply and then click on OK. After that, you can close this menu and now you will see Claude Code on the top right. You can just click on it and now Claude Code will open right here. You can use it as you like. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.